Does the audio on your GoXLR or GoXLR Mini sound like this? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you how to fix it in just a few easy steps. Alright, so first thing we want to do here is over here in our GoXLR Setup, go to your mic setup tab. If you're using a dynamic mic like I am, I'm using the Samson Q2U. Go to your dynamic, make sure it's selected. Give yourself a good healthy amount of gain to where you're in the loud area. Now I've noticed I prefer to stay higher up, so I've got my gain really cranked here. I like my voice to sound nice and loud so I can separate it easier post-mix in the stream, and I'll show you how I kind of manage all this in OBS here in just a minute. So go ahead and click OK. Over here in my compressor settings, this is kind of what I'm rocking right now. And as you can see, I'm pumping an extra 7 decibels of gain right here in the makeup gain. And a little bit of the noise is coming from that, but honestly, a lot of it is just coming from the microphone self noise that I've noticed, because my room is pretty quiet. It is picking up my computer fans and the AC a little bit. And of course, with it being at 65 decibels, it's going to really amplify that. One more thing I need to show you in GoXLR, go to your routing tab and make sure your mic is not going to your broadcast stream mix. Normally, when you have this set up in OBS, you do want that checked because everything right here in your broadcast stream mix, of course, gets sent to your stream. But for my purposes of trying to clean my audio up, I have unchecked that, and I will show you why. Let me switch here to OBS. There we are. Now, as you can see, I've got 2 setups instead of 1. So I'm going to go in my settings here and show you really fast. Right here's my broadcast stream mix. So that's all my game audio, music, chat, everything. And I've got chat mic routed in here on a second input. Now the reason for that, we're going to go to filters, and I'm using this noise suppression under RN noise. So enable that and listen. It's much, much better sounding. Now you may be asking, why don't we do that with the mic aux input with the broadcast stream mix? Well, the reason is if you have that noise suppression enabled, it will cut out everything except your voice. So I'm talking game, a little bit of chat, like it cuts everything out. I did a test stream and it was terrible. So what you want to do is just put it on the individual tab for your voice. And that's also why I had you take off your mic and broadcast stream mix in the routing tab of the GoXLR app. Told you it was pretty easy and pretty simple. So if I was able to help you out, please give me a like, consider subscribing to my channel so you can see me when I go live. I'd love to have some more views and have some more people to talk to. If you have any questions, concerns, anything like that, be sure to put it in the comments and I'll try to help you out the best I can. Thank you so much for your time and have an awesome night. Bye-bye.